Hello friends, this is your Walgreens preview for the week of July the 11th to the 17th, and lots of really good deals in this flyer. And if it's anything like the last 2 weeks, we might be in for some treats with IBOTTA as the week progresses. So on Wednesday, this little gem showed up in my digital coupons folder. Hopefully you have the same one. I would load it right away. Earn $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20, and it's from the 11th to the 17th, so it is in that window. Couple rules for this guy. You have to spend the balance of $20 to get the $5 of rewards. You can't use any IBC coupons or store register rewards or anything like that because it'll dip your balance below the $20 mark. For the balance, you got to pay cash. So debit card, credit card, cash bills, pennies, whatever you have. These are of a one-time use, even if it's still showing in your Walgreens account. And do not use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, or you will not earn the $5 reward. And just to let you guys know, I am not in the United States right now. I'm actually in Canada. I arrived yesterday, and it is quite the story. I'll have to share it with you some other time. If you have any hot deals or hot clearance, float it by my Instagram at PhotoRachel or email at me at runningkimono@mail.com. I will not be in the stores on Sunday, so if you have any hot deals, float it my way. We would be also appreciative. Okay, so the first little dealio that we have is with the Kellogg cereal. Obviously, the Fruit Loops and Frosted Flakes are a lot cheaper than like the mini wheats. Anyhow, these guys are $1.88 each, and there's a little bit of a deal to be had and found. If you go into your digital coupons folder right now, there is this 3 off of 5, which is a very high value coupon. As you see, it's valid till August the 7th. Load it. Over on IBOTTA, there's 40-cent rebates on my app. It might be higher for you, but if you're grabbing 5 of them, that's $2, so that's kind of amazing. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this one, we're going to go with the Fruit Loops. So 5 of them at $1.88 is $9.40. Subtracting that 3 off of 5 digital manufacturer, you're paying $6.40 out of pocket, and then you're going to make that 40-cent to IBOTTA submission 5 times, so that's $2 back. It's $4.40 for the 5, or 88 cents per box. If you wish to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, so as it's going to be closer to back to school, there's going to be a lot of deals for back to school supplies, stationery supplies, but you know most households need this sort of stuff, at least mine does. These are $1.99, and we're going to have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday. So grabbing 2 of the BIC packs, that's $3.98. Subtracting that 3 off of 2 digital, which is loadable on Sunday morning, you're left with paying 98 cents for the 2. It's basically like 49 cents each. So that's quite fantastic. If you have other items to bring it up to $1, you can obviously use a little bit of Walgreens cash. Okay, so now we have a little Tide deal, guys. Now, there are no $2 digital coupons as of today on this, and I don't know why they just gave us the $3 ones, but maybe it's just the way that it is. But when you buy 4 of these, you're going to get back a $6 register reward. So if you might have that $2 from the July P&G and a couple of these register rewards, either the store one or the manufacturer one, you can definitely use it for a deal. Okay, so say let's grab a mix and match of the Tide liquid and the Tide pods. For them, that's $19.96. Let's just pretend we have a $2 from the July P&G, 1 for the liquid, 1 for the pods, and then the 2 $5 register rewards, so that's subtracting $10. You're left with paying $5.96 out of pocket, getting back a $6 register reward. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. I just think this is a really smart flip of moving some register rewards if you have them, especially if they're expiring, to make them into something else. Okay, the next little dealio that we have is on the Persil. It's $4.99. There's going to be a $2 digital coupon, $1 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. I know that a lot of you that clean your upholstery with that little green machine, apparently this is the cat's pajamas, this detergent to clean upholstery, so some of you might have to stock up, or if you love it for laundry, this might be a deal for you. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $9.98, subtracting that $2 digital, and I would throw in 1 $5 store coupon if you might have it. You're paying $2.98 out of pocket, getting back $1 of Walgreens cash. If you have a little bit of Walgreens cash on your store card and you wish to use it for this transaction, absolutely go for it. Now this is a pretty little exciting deal. So a $5 register reward, I think this one will be a store coupon when you buy 3 participating products. Now the dial stuff is there. It's 2 for $8. There'll be a 2 off of 2 digital coupon starting on Sunday morning. If you go over to your Ibotta account, there's 50 cents back on the bar soap, and it says that bar soap is in fact included. Double, triple check that this Ibotta rebate is there for you on Sunday morning. Okay, so to get the basket right to 3, we're grabbing 2 things of the bar soap, and then we're going to grab 1 Crest toothpaste for $3 on the nose. Now we have this digital coupon to load, which is $1 off. So looking at the mathematics for this one, 2 of the Dial bar soaps at $8, 1 Crest for 3. That's 11 buckos. Subtracting the $3 in digital, we have a 2 off of 2 for the Dial and $1 for the Crest. You're paying 8 out of pocket. 2 50-cent submissions to the Ibotta, so you're going to get $1 back, plus a $5 store register reward. It makes it $2 for the 3, or 66 cents each. If you have a little bit of Walgreens cash and you want to use it to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Now we have a quick deal with the Head & Shoulders from the same sort of a deal. So if you were going to do these deals together, you'd have to do them in 2 separates to get the register rewards to print. Anyhow, the Head & Shoulders are $6 a pop, and we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. I'll show you here in a second. We're also going to grab a Crest toothpaste. I believe for the Scope and the Oral-B, there's also dollar digitals, so you'll have to load that. So these are the digitals that you need that include the 3 off of 2 for the Head & Shoulders and the $1 off for the Crest toothpaste. Okay guys, let's take a quick peek at the mathematics. 2 Head & Shoulders, that's $12, they're 6 each. 1 Crest toothpaste at 3 for a total of $15. Now we have $4 of digitals, the 3 off of 2 for the Head & Shoulders, the $1 for the Crest. You're paying 11 out of pocket, getting back a $5 store register reward, making it 6 for the 3, or $2 for each. If you wish to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. And for a product like Head & Shoulders, if you need a lot of this, $2 is not a bad price point. Okay, one deal I can't advocate enough stocking up on is the Scott's toilet paper and paper towel. Apparently, prices are supposed to increase here in the next couple of months. Anyhow, these guys are $5. We have a $1.25 IVC found in the July Big Book of Savings. Grabbing 2 of them for $10. Scan that IVC once, $2.50 is coming off. So your new total is $7.50. I would throw in $5 of Walgreens cash or any register rewards that you might have. Pay $2.50. I believe this is just a very smart deal. Okay, let's talk about some honorable mentions in this flyer. Well, I did find one little error, and I know that some of you will take this all the way to the bank or the Supreme Court, wherever you want to go with it. I'm just kidding. $4.99, $6 of Walgreens cash when you spend $4, and then if you click on it, it also says that. So that's some sort of typo. I'm not sure if customer service will allow it if you just buy one of those Dawn power washes to get back $6, but it's an error. Maybe even the store manager might do it. You guys know your store best, but that's an error. So double, triple check on Sunday. If you want to participate in that, you possibly can get stuff really inexpensive or a money maker for you if they'll honor that. They should for one store card, or at least change it or explain it, but it does. If you press on it, it says $6 back when you spend $4, which is really bizarre. Now we have some back to school supplies every week leading right up till August or September when the little ones go back. We have 49 cents for these index cards and 5 for $1 on highlighters in those little folders. And then the Oscar Mayer 2 for $8, also with the Starbucks creamer. That is a fantastic price point. $4 for a pound of bacon, absolutely. Now we have a little touch of fancy here of buy 2 at $6.49, get 1 for free. We have vitamin water and smart water included, little case of the Gold Peak tea. It's not just soda, so if this is something that might interest you, it might be a deal for you. And then some adult beverages. We have really high value mail-in rebates. You buy it, and then it comes out of the Catalina machine. You have to send it to the manufacturer for your rebate. Once per household, but just some adult beverages if you are interested. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.